Hi everyone! For the still media component of my mixed digital media critique, I was going to choose to review Photoshop Express. Photoshop is one of the most well-known programs for images and image manipulation. Unfortunately, Photoshop costs around $20 per month, so it is not an ideal application if you're only planning to use it for a few things here and there. Photoshop Express, however, does not cost anything. In one of my other classes, I am currently learning the basics of Photoshop, so I figured this would be a great opportunity to learn more about it. However, I changed my mind once I realized that I had to use my phone or tablet, and I decided to try out a different program. Sticking to the Adobe family at no cost, I chose Adobe Spark. Here is a look at the homepage for Adobe Spark. Right away, you can see all of the different things you can create using this program, including album covers, book covers, flyers, invitations, and much more. The diversity of the program offers right off the bat is amazing because there are many different things that are being created in the classroom. This can be used not only by teachers, but also for students to create different projects. When I kept scrolling, I saw a Spark post, which is something that I think is very cool. You can instantly create a photo and put it on social media. It takes away any additional steps, which is a great way to save time. So let's get started. I have already taken the initial step and created an account, so let's just go ahead and log in. I've chosen to use Google to log in. You can also use Facebook, or you can just sign up and supply some basic information. Okay. Okay, so here is the home page once you have logged in. Here you will see any projects that you've made in the past. Projects are broken down into three categories: post, page, and videos, which is great because it is very organized and easy to navigate. You can get to that page by either clicking the plus sign right here, and it'll take you to the page, or you can just click right up top on the left, and you're right here. So, for still media, we're going to start with post. So first we see that we can add a quote or phrase to our photo. So let's just pick a simple one. Also at the bottom you see that you can customize your graphic size. And what's great is that it already has the dimensions for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So you can save some time and not have to resize your post later on. But for right now, we're just going to use slide size and continue. So here's our initial graphic, and as you can tell, it is completely customizable from this point on. Just by clicking on the text and scrolling around, we can completely change the look and feel of our graphic. So after taking a look at all of these different ones, let's just go with this one. So we save that. Now we can also change the picture, and what's cool is we can upload a photo, so we can add any picture that we want. Once we are done and the graphic is saved, we can click on share, which allows you to either download or publish the story on social media. You can also create a public link so you can share, but first you have to select a category. So now I can just share this with anybody I want, and they even give me the option to share it on social media. I highly recommend downloading Spark as it allows users to completely customize any picture while adding text at no cost. Many teachers would benefit from using this, and it would be great for students to learn how to use Spark to customize any of their own projects.